Dr. Pepper, the famous 23 flavor soda, has lots of spin-off products, such as Diet Dr. Pepper. That's not the topic here today, though. No, we're not talking about Diet Dr. Pepper barbecue sauce. But what we are talking about is Hot Dr. Pepper. That's right, Hot Dr. Pepper was originally introduced in the 1960s as a winter beverage. Here's some advertisements from the 1960s showing about Hot Dr. Pepper. However, it was short-lived, but you still don't believe me? You think this is a joke? Just go to the Facts and Questions article on the Dr. Pepper website. Anyway, I'm going to teach you how to make it. All you need is Dr. Pepper, a can or a bottle will be fine. And just proceed to open it, but don't blow it up like I did, because, bad Dr. Pepper. Right there. Anyway, you want to heat up a pan or anything, and just pour a little bit of Dr. Pepper in there, as much as you want. Alright, and as soon as we did that, you want to take a lemon and a knife and make a small slice and put it into the glass that you're going to pour the Hot Dr. Pepper in. Once the Dr. Pepper starts sizzling or steaming up, that's it. Just take it off and pour it in your glass. And if you're using a glass made of glass, like I am, pour it very slowly. Like, wait 5 seconds between each spill so it doesn't melt. Because, when glass melts, the glass. Yeah. Also, if you try this at home and your lemon makes a popping bubble, like mine didn't, comment or like, because, thumbs up for that. Just some more footage of the popping lemon. Yeah. And basically, this is Hot Dr. Pepper. It tastes just like Dr. Pepper, only it's hot, kind of like tea, brings out the cherry flavor. Little carbonation, and I'll see you next time. Later.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Brings out the cherry flavor. Little carbonation, and I'll see you.
What if it just melted?